Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Ballerina Cappuccina. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a large sideways oval. Now underneath, let's draw a large curve down and back up to the other side. Now on the left, let's add the handle. Let's draw a curve out and curve it back in. And let's do the same thing inside. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the face. We'll start with the eyes with two curves up and back down. And then let's add a curve underneath. Now thicken up the top line slightly. Now inside each of the eyes, let's add a circle. And then another smaller circle on the top right. Then for the pupils, let's draw a circle behind in the center. And color them both in black. Lastly, for the eyes, let's draw some eyelashes by curving it out and back in on the sides here. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve. And then from the inside, let's curve it up and out. Now top down and let's draw a curve across for the nose. And then a longer curve underneath for the mouth. Now for the lips, on top we'll start with a small V shape and angle it out and down on both sides. And then let's add a curve underneath for the bottom lip. And that's it for the face. Now let's add the pattern on top of the head. Inside the top oval, let's draw two bumps and two more underneath. Now on both sides, let's curve it up and back down. And let's do two more on both sides. And then a larger curve all the way up. And then let's curve it back down and in, meeting at a point. And that's it for the head. Now top down and draw the body. We'll start with two small curves down and out for the neck. Then for the left arm, let's curve it out. And then for the right one, we're going to bring it up. Now underneath each of the shoulders, let's draw a small line down. And then two curves down towards the center here. Then on both sides, let's draw a curve downwards. And then curve it down for the waist. And a curve across at the bottom. Now let's move back to the sides and let's finish drawing the arms. For the left arm, let's draw another line outwards and continue both of them out to the side. Now for the right arm, let's angle it up and 2 more angles up again. Now let's add the hands at the ends. On the left, let's draw a curve out, down, and back in. And then let's add the thumb by curving it in and back out underneath. Now let's hop over, and for the right hand, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to bring it up, out, and back in. And then the thumb up and back down. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the tutu. Let's start on the sides of the body and let's draw a curve outwards like this. And now let's close it off with a curve underneath with a small zigzag line. Now inside, starting at the waist, let's draw some diagonal lines down and out. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start with a long line down in the center. And then on the sides, let's angle it in and down. Now for each foot, let's draw a curve down and back up. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the ballet shoes. Let's start with a curve inside each foot. Then on top, we're going to draw 2 angles up. And then 2 going the opposite direction behind. And then 2 curves across the top. And that's it for Ballerina Cappuccina. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!